Do you always find yourself wishing your space was more organized? Do you always try to find ways which are budget friendly and also smart which can save money? Ideas that can work and can be used around the home in many other ways. Do you always like the products which work like magic to keep your home neat and organized?
Then my friend, you are in for a treat. In today's video, I am going to share some hacks and some organizing ideas which will help you out in keeping your home neat, tidy and organized. So without wasting any time, let's get into today's video.
In my last video, I had shared this expendable cup organizer, which can be put on the kitchen backsplash, but quite a lot of you had asked me if there is any other idea where we don't have to drill to hang kitchen stuff. Today I am sharing this suction cup holder. It comes with a very sturdy grip which ensures that the suction power does not lose its grip even when there is water. It also comes with the hooks where you can hang your cups, spatulas, scissors and all. Just fix it on the tiles and use it. You can also fix it under the cabinets and use to hang all the spatulas and sachets. This can be fixed on the smooth surface for better results. No drills on the wall and it can be moved from one place to another very easily. Nowadays, I'm getting many questions related to this chair. So I thought, why not to share it in this video? If you have kids at home or if you're planning to buy a chair for your toddler, this can last a long and can be used up to 7 to 8 years of your child's age. This chair can be converted into 3 styles. First, in the initial years, this can act as a feeding booster chair. Just fix this and latch it from both the ends. Your child can nicely sit and eat on it. When your child will be 2 to 3 years, you can simply remove the top. Just use a high chair on your dining space for the baby to eat. This is what I have been doing for the last 2 years. This chair is helping me a lot when he takes his online classes. He just grabs the chair and studies nicely. And also when he eats, he sits on his chair to have his food. Lastly, when your child will be a little grown up, like 6 to 7 years old, this can be a separate study table and chair for him or her when your child studies. I had this chair when he was 6 months old and he just started sitting since then. We are using it and it's one of the best purchases for him. When children get their proper space for study or to do any craft activity, they focus more. So recently we came across Yellow Class. Yellow Class is India's biggest live and interactive learning hobby platform, where kids in the age group of 3 to 16 years can learn different hobbies like art and craft, dancing and much more. There are also classes on maths, English, etc. available in Yellow Class. Yellow Class is trusted by more than 20 lakh kids and every month more than 10 lakh kids learn various hobbies on Yellow Class. So now there are also celebrity mentors like Shan, Ripudaman Handa, Vidya Malbare also teach various hobbies on Yellow Class. The best thing about Yellow Class is all these classes are completely free and they are designed by professional and expert mentors.
Along with learning different hobbies on Yellow Class, kids can also win many exciting prizes like PlayStation, Apple iPad, Amazon vouchers, bicycle and many more. Parents can also track the progress of their kids by the dashboard feature. Now here comes a very exciting news for you all. In February, Yellow Class is running a contest where you can win Apple iPhone 13. So to participate in this contest, you just have to download Yellow Class app by the link which is provided below in the description box and start taking the classes. The kids who will follow all the above steps will automatically be eligible for this contest. So what are you waiting for? Just download Yellow Class app and start attending the classes.
Sometimes the kids' room, I must say, is one of the busiest areas of your home, where things are never in place, no matter how much you organize and soon end up in clutter. So always make a rule and ask your kids if they are not able to remember where to keep what. Just simply assign them an ottoman and ask them to dump all their toys in it. This way it won't be visible And also it will make the whole area look neat and tidy. And once in a week, just sort the toys and keep them back to their designated places. As Ottoman comes with storage where you can sit also. I'm using it here and it's nice and also solves my problem. Sometimes, mostly to save space, we want to hang a shelf on a wall. But we worry what if it would be heavy and it would need drills and holes. You're right. But also try a logical way to do it for lighter articles and find a lightweight shelf. It can be hung just with the help of nails. I always prefer those shelves more because being a decor enthusiast, it's my job's requirement to frequently change the decor of my home from one way to another. So I always go for easy ways and these kind of shells are just perfect. They are light in weight and also very affordable. You can use it to keep mugs, glasses and many kitchen related stuff. Here you can see and get some ideas if you also want to add some storage inside your kitchen. It's about the moment when you realize your favorite sweaters, jackets, coats, sweatshirts no longer look the same as when you first bought it from the market. This can also happen with your blankets, your favorite bed sheets, even with the couch. My couch is just 2 years old, so you won't see anything. But I remember my old one has a lot of lint fuzz. To remove the lint from clothes, I came across this wonderful product which is a fabric shaver. You just have to open its top cover and start using it on your woolens. It will take all the fuzz from your woolens. This fabric lint shaver is especially designed to shave off fuzz, threads and many pills to revitalize your clothes and fabrics. Once you're done, just detach this part and empty it. Now see the difference. It will remove all the lint and make your woolens new again. Henna simply amazing? The toys and drawers usually get messed up because of the lack of proper organization. Whenever you are organizing any toy drawer, make sure you are using the deep baskets with handles and make sure they come with a lid. Organize by categorizing the toys, like in this basket I am keeping all of his Avengers figurine. In this basket I like to keep the blocks and here in this basket goes all his clay dough and molds. Now keep the baskets which have lids first and here as you can see you can keep other baskets over them. This increases the storage capacity and as we are using baskets with handles it will be easy for the kids also to take out baskets using handles. Play with the stuff and keep it back. I have these baskets with lids everywhere at home whenever I need to double up my storage area. These are perfect ideas for that. Now this drawer is all sorted and he knows from where to pick what and where to keep it back. When we have small drawers in our house, it really becomes difficult to find proper baskets which will fit properly in the drawers. Look at this drawer. It has baskets, but on the sides I have so much space left. And I always end up keeping so many things here and thought later I will remove them. But this never happens and clutter accumulates. Then I thought, what if there is something which can help to create customized space according to my need? And I find these DIY drawer divider strips. These strips can be moved and cut to fit in your drawers. These slots on the strip can be latched to the other strips according to your space. This will improve the utilization of your drawer space and help find your things at your glance and save much time on picking your items. This can be very helpful if you wanted to create some dividers in your kitchen cutlery or to organize socks in your closet. Believe me, if you would find many ways to use these in some or other way as separators and help space management. Whenever I do daily cleaning and dusting, I run to the sink to clean the dirty cloth again and again. And sometimes it gets irritating. But then I found this amazing collapsible tub on Amazon, and it has solved many problems of mine. You just have to unfold it and fill water with some soap, and you're good to go to clean your home. It's also easy to take around while you're cleaning the stuff in your home. I also use one such basket to clean vegetables and fruits. And once I'm done, I just wash it and keep it back here. It won't take any space in home and it always remains just out of the sight. When you don't have space or you're living on rent and not allowed to put drills in the bathrooms to have a shelf, you can definitely use the wall in your bathroom to fix these waterproof suction towel rods to organize all your toiletries in it. Just fix it nicely on the tiles. Now use these kind of baskets which have hooks like these and hang them on the rod and keep all your bathroom stuff in it. And if you have kids at home, you can use one more basket to keep all the bath toys in it and then simply hang it on the rod. So this rod comes with two more hooks on the side which can be used to hang loofah or other things. As I have already shown it, these comes with the additional hooks. So if you want to increase the storage, just use these hooks also to maximize the storage inside the bathroom. If you have a very little space in the closet to hang shirts and pants, then you can use these multi-slot hangers as they are perfect for you to maximize your closet space. The pant hanger rod can be pulled out flexibly, which makes you to put your trousers on and off conveniently. The open-ended design makes it convenient to get your clothes out of the closet without removing it from the hangers. It's a great way if you want to save some space inside your closet.
This is all for today's video and I really hope you are going to find all these ideas helpful. If you like today's video, then please do share this video with all your friends and family. Like the video and please do subscribe to my channel. You can also follow us on Instagram and Facebook for more video related updates. I'll see you next time with another video. Till then, stay home, take care and bye bye.